Joe.
Blackula.
So then as far as colors, if you hit Option C, little color block will come up. For me, I leave the 2-track, the whatever 2-track is gonna be dropped as the default color, that blue. Vocals, what I usually do is like if it's just vocals and no instruments, I do usually like a green for the vocals. There you go. Do a green for the vocals. And I usually, if it's related to the main vocal, I usually do a different shade of the same color. So it'd be like a little lighter green or like a slightly different shade. And then for a hook, I usually do purple, and I'll make all the hook stuff purple. Do all the hook stuff purple. But if I do instruments, it's way different. I usually do the vocals, the default blue color. Then I do drums red, bass purple, guitars yellow, keyboards green, other percussion blue. That's usually what I do for if it's like instruments laid out and I'm mixing instruments. That's usually how I color my instruments. And then horns will be like orange. But the main thing is I usually do drums red, bass purple, guitars yellow, keys green. So that's how I usually lay it out if it's instruments. See how these are still blue? If I do all of this and I right click on one of these, if I do assign channel strip color, the same thing. Oh shoot, maybe not. See, I forgot how to do that. There's a way to do it where you just make these the same color as these. So when you're looking, but I can't remember off the top of my head right now. I can't remember how to do it. I'm trying to figure this out because now it's irking me because I used to know how to do it. There we go. Option Shift C is the shortcut, or if you go to Functions and you go to Color Region Cells by Track Color, select them all first and then do it. Function, Color Region Cells by Track Colors. What the heck? So now you're gonna sit here and watch me figure this out. So we're gonna select all the tracks. We're gonna do it this way. Then we're gonna do the opposite. Color. There we go. So it's the other one. This is the way it's worded. Color track by region / cell color. That's interesting. So it's the bottom one. The color track by region, not the top one. So you see all this is just the 2 greens and the blue. But if I go to Functions, color track by region, it should switch all of these. Yep, all of these will match all of these. So okay, I'm glad I figured that out. So now I ain't gotta run my head through a wall. And the shortcut is Option Shift Command C. Just wasn't hitting them all at the same time, but a lot of buttons to press for one hand. It's just Functions, track color, region cell, and it'll change these and these to match colors. And then to change the color, you just select the track, or you select a group of tracks, hit Option C, the little color wheel will pop up, and you can keep this open at all times too if you want to. You don't have to close this out. It'll stay open. And so you can change whatever colors you want, and it'll stay open, and you click on something, you can change just that individual color. Either way, once you hit Command C, it's its own little menu that stays up. And I think that's it. Man, hit me up if you got any more questions. Peace.